Hi everybody. I have something I want to show you. It's this I bought from the store. It's not expensive. When I bought it's $10, but I don't know right now. But it's a couple months ago. Not no. So this one is Better Home and Gardens. That's the brand name. This is a kitchen set. They have 23 pieces. They says stainless steel. What else I do need? 23 pieces. 23 pieces is the prep and store. Let's see what else. Here. It's ideal for food preparation and storage. That's the first light here. This next one, easy open list, help keep stored contents fresh. That's the second line. And BPA free, stand and order resistant. Here, PPA free, stand and order resistance. Your purchase include 1 year subscription. They have 1 year subscription. That's the margin from Better Homes and Garden. That subscription is the value of $6. That's this set right here. What else is it? See inside for subscription and offer details. Offer available in the US only. The sets include 3 mixing bowls with lids, 1 container, 4 measuring spoons, and 4 measuring cups, and 4 prep bowls with lids. Okay. Yeah. Look nice, beauty is right. Now let's reopen to see inside, okay? Okay, open, see. I'm up, some kind of upside down. So they have a lot, but I took only one. Here. There are one leg, big one, the medium, and the small one. Measuring cup. The half. Yeah. This looks nice. You know what? When I cook, I never measure anything. I just estimate and do putting it in. But most of the time, it's like it's like 5 to me because I'm the one eat them. So depend on my feeling. If I'm happy, I put better, and then I still enjoy. It's not. The food is okay with me, but probably not okay with other people. So this is a measuring cup. If you have when you make the food for party or you selling or something, I think you need this to keep the taste the same. But for home cooking, I never use these. But anyway, let's have fun with this. Oh, it's so cute. This is the tiny little one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, they have 1 lid, 2, 3, 4. This for this. Next, this one, a small bowl, and they have a colander. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Next, there is another one's a small. Next, the big one. It's so light. It's not heavy. It's light. And let me put the lid on. Yeah, that's for the bowl. And the colander here. And the measuring cup. And little tiny one. Look. That's good for sliced scallion or probably cooking oil or yep. 2, 3, 4. It's a kind of messy. Okay. I think kids love this. When I was kid, I loved this stuff, so I can play it like toy, like pretending to do something. But unfortunately, it's my generation. They are not such available when I live around. That's the time I'm not in US. So that's the cooking. Anyway. What else they have in the box? For the care instructions, wash before first use, hand wash only. For the measuring cups, measuring spoons, and lids. Dishwasher self mixing bowls, prep bowls, and colander. 3 mixing bowl with lids. So that's 1.5 quart. That's 1.4 liter. In 3 quart, 3.8 liter, and 5 quart. This one, the big one, is the 5 quart. This is 4.7 liter. This one, the 3 quarts, is 2.8 liters. And this one is 1.5 quart. This is 1.4 liter. And they have a colander. This one is a 3 quart, 2.8 liter. And for prep bowls with lids, I think for prep bowl with lids, this one. That's for them. Each one is 0.16 quart. It's mean 150 milliliter. And then for measuring cups, one each, 1 quarter, 1/4 cup, and 1/3, and 1 1/2, and 1 cup. So that's for, and for measuring spoon, one each, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half tablespoon, and one tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon, that means 50 milliliter. Half tablespoon is 7.9 milliliter. And 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliter. And half teaspoon is 2.5 milliliter. For the measuring cup, 1 cup is 236 milliliter. And half cup is 118 milliliters. 1/3 cup is 78 milliliter. And as a quarter cup is 59 milliliter. So that's all they have in this box, but $10 is so. Yeah, but that's just the deal. It's normally, I don't know, but normally probably it's not this at this price. But anyway, the material is light, not heavy. So thank you for watching. See you next video. When I have something, just want to show you. I have a lot of stuff, but I still have a lot of stuff, but I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, I'm crazy, so sometimes buy stuff and then I just stuck there and I haven't opened yet. Like a printer. Oh, I haven't printed anything yet. I tried configuration the printer, but I don't know where my USB now. So the USB cord cable, I don't know where is this now. I have to, if I don't find it, and I have to go to the store to purchase one. So next time is, if you want to buy the printer, just spend a couple $1 more to get the one wireless, so you worry less about USB cable. Anyway, that's alright. Thank you for watching. See you next video when I open a new one. I try. Bye bye.